Have you ever felt like you are running your business with a tangled mess of spreadsheets, sticky notes, and a dozen browser tabs? You start the day with a clear plan, but by noon, you're navigating a labyrinth of disconnected applications, hunting for that one crucial piece of information you know you saw somewhere. Your communication lives in one app, your documents in another, and your customer data in a third. You spend your day switching between these digital islands, copying and pasting information, trying to manually build the bridges that your software won't. This constant context switching is a hidden tax on your team's focus and energy, draining productivity with every click. It's exhausting, and it's not sustainable. The energy you should be investing in innovation and customer relationships is instead consumed by digital administration. This leads to burnout, creates a ceiling on what your business can achieve, and ultimately slows you down. Growth shouldn't feel like a battle against your own tools. Now, imagine a different world. A world where your sales, marketing, and support teams flow together like a well-rehearsed orchestra. Imagine a single unified platform where communication flows effortlessly into action and data instantly informs strategy without anyone having to export a CSV file, a central hub for your entire organization. In the following chapters, we'll explore how to achieve this harmony. We will introduce you to a suite of applications designed to turn chaotic survival into streamlined, scalable growth. This is about more than just new software. It's about a new way of working. It's time to replace the clutter with clarity and the friction with flow. Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced business world, the difference between thriving and just surviving often comes down to one thing: efficiency. How do you empower your teams to do their best work without getting bogged down by digital friction? This friction isn't just a minor annoyance. It's a constant drag on productivity and morale. The answer lies in the tools you use every single day. At their core, business applications are designed to solve one fundamental problem. They save you, your team, and your entire organization an invaluable resource: time. Think about the countless hours lost to repetitive, manual tasks, copying and pasting data between spreadsheets, sending endless manual follow-up emails, or painstakingly piecing together weekly reports from a dozen different sources. Each of these small tasks accumulates, draining your team's energy and diverting their focus from strategic, high-impact activities. A well-designed application automates these monotonous processes, creating seamless workflows that run in the background. This liberation from administrative burden is transformative. It frees your team to focus on what truly matters: innovation, problem solving, and driving the business forward. But the benefits extend far beyond just time savings. Business apps also centralize your organization's most valuable asset: your data. When information is scattered across disconnected spreadsheets, email inboxes, and local documents, it becomes fragmented, outdated, and nearly impossible to leverage effectively. This creates information silos, where one department has no visibility into what another is doing. The result is duplicated efforts, conflicting information, and critical missed opportunities that can stall growth. A centralized system, like a CRM, provides a single source of truth. It shows the complete customer history from our Mindine, Reinmeinster, for Mindine, customer mind, from the very first marketing email they open to their latest support ticket. This unified view empowers your teams to make faster, more informed decisions. Similarly, integrated project tools, team chat applications, and shared document editors ensure everyone is on the same page, working from the most current information, no matter where they are. Collaboration becomes seamless, not chaotic, fostering a culture of transparency and shared purpose. Ultimately, this internal efficiency translates directly to an exceptional external experience. When your teams are empowered with integrated apps, they can provide faster, smarter, and more personalized service because they have the full context of every interaction at their fingertips. This consistency and attention to detail build deep-seated customer trust and confidence in your brand. A well-oiled machine on the inside creates a delightful experience on the outside, transforming one-time buyers into loyal, lifelong advocates for your brand. Let us start with sales, the lifeblood of any business. Your CRM is the team's collective brain for leads, contacts, and deals. It gives crystal clear visibility and smooth handoffs so nothing is forgotten. A booking app kills the email back and forth. Share a link, they pick a time. Automatic reminders reduce no-shows and present a modern, professional image. E-signature turns days into minutes, accelerating your sales cycle and cash flow. A password manager stores credentials securely and shares access without exposing logins. Together, these tools boost speed, control, and security across your sales process. Once sales hum, it is time to fill the pipeline with new leads. Email marketing lets you design, send, and track campaigns at scale. Segmented, personalized messages dramatically increase engagement and conversions. Manage Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn from one dashboard. Scheduling and monitoring save hours weekly and keep your brand consistently present. A modern website builder launches a site, blog, or store fast, no code. Spin up landing pages, update products, and publish posts in minutes. Surveys turn feedback into clear reports so you can refine what works. Getting a customer is one thing, keeping them is another. A help desk collects all inquiries in one place with clear ownership. Organization and templates drive faster, more consistent responses. Remote Assist lets agents see and solve complex problems directly. Live chat delivers instant answers and boosts conversions. AI chat captures leads and questions after hours automatically. A knowledge base cuts repetitive tickets and empowers self-service. It is a win-win for efficiency and experience. In distributed teams, collaboration is the glue that holds everything together. Team chat is a virtual office, organized channels, files, and quick calls. It reduces email and speeds up real-time decisions. Project tools turn ideas into tasks with clear owners and deadlines. Everyone knows what to do, and managers see progress without status meetings. A cloud drive is your single source of truth with collaborative editing. Video meetings bridge distance and enrich communication beyond email or phone. It fosters community and keeps remote teams connected. Productivity is working smarter, and the right apps make it happen. Online word processors, spreadsheets, and presentations with real-time collaboration. No more emailing versions. Co-edit, comment, and move faster together. A note-taking app captures ideas anywhere and keeps them organized. E-signature streamlines onboarding, agreements, and approvals across the business. It cuts admin, reduces paper waste, and adds a secure audit trail. Time tracking reveals where time goes so you can prioritize and focus. Block distractions and invest time in your highest impact work. Your accounting app is the command center for money management. Create invoices, track expenses, reconcile banks, and report with confidence. Get a real-time view of financial health and make tax time less stressful. Ditch paper receipts, scan, auto-extract, and submit for quick approvals. Enjoy faster reimbursements and organized audit-ready records. Accept secure online payments via checkout or simple payment links. Subscription apps automate sign-ups, upgrades, and monthly charges to reduce churn. Payroll automates pay, taxes, and filings so your team is paid correctly on time. Inventory software keeps real-time counts across every sales channel. It prevents stockouts and overselling automatically. Manage picking, packing, and shipping so orders arrive on time. HR systems manage the entire employee lifecycle with structure and compliance. Use integration platforms to connect apps and automate cross-tool workflows. Example, when a deal is won, create a project and notify the team automatically. Automation save time, eliminate manual entry, and run 24/7. You know the tools. Now it is time to act. Now that you've seen the power and versatility of the Zoho Workplace suite, you might be wondering, where do I even begin? It's a comprehensive platform, and the thought of adopting it all at once can feel daunting. But here's the key, you don't have to. The journey to a fully optimized business begins with a single deliberate step. First, let's talk about getting started. Zoho Workplace offers flexible plans designed to fit businesses of all sizes, from solo entrepreneurs to large enterprises. There's even a forever free plan so you can start experiencing the benefits without any initial investment. Most paid plans also offer a free trial, giving you a risk-free opportunity to explore the full suite and see the impact firsthand before committing. Worried about switching? Don't be. Zoho provides easy-to-use, one-click migration tools to help you seamlessly move your data from other services like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. You can bring over your emails, contacts, calendars, and files with minimal disruption. Plus, our dedicated support teams are on standby to assist, ensuring a smooth and successful transition for your entire team. For best practices, we recommend a phased approach. Don't try to implement everything at once. That's a recipe for overwhelm. Start by forming a small pilot team to test the waters. Then, identify the single biggest bottleneck in your business right now. Is it communication? Start with Click and Mail. Is it document chaos? Focus on WorkDrive and Writer. Pick 1 or 2 apps that solve your most pressing problem. Master those initial apps. Gather feedback and then expand from there. This incremental adoption allows your team to adapt comfortably and ensures you build a software stack that truly works for you, not against you. Take advantage of Zoho's extensive library of training materials and support resources to get everyone up to speed quickly. Make technology your ally, ready to build your streamlined, scalable, and fully integrated digital headquarters. To make it even easier, we've created a comprehensive Getting Started checklist, which you can download for free using the link in the description below. It will guide you through every step of the process. If this video helped you understand the potential of a unified workplace, please subscribe for more deep dives into productivity and business technology. Start your free trial and begin your journey with Zoho Workplace today.